Lomkhonto wesizwe liceba ukuvula amatyala olwaphulo-mthetho nxamnye noMary de Haas umhloli wobundlobongela kunye noPaul O'Sullivan ingcali yezobuntloli. Bobabini bathethe kutshanje kwikomiti ye-ad hoc yasepalamente ephanda ngezityholo zokubanjwa ngobhongwana kwenkqubo yobulungisa abaseMzantsi Afrika. I-MK Party ityhola uDe Haas ngokunganyaniseki malunga nesidanga sakhe sobugqirha bemfundo. Ngelixa ekwatyhola uO'Sullivan ngokuthumela umyalezo weWhatsApp osongela ingqina ngenjongo yokuloyikisa. Ukanti iqela lithi ezi zenzo zinyasha isidima sepalamente kwaye zifuna uphando olukhawulezileyo.
As Umkhonto wesizwe Party, we hereby wish to inform South Africans that we will be opening criminal cases against Mr. Haas and Mr. Paul O'Sullivan. The party will proceed to Cape Town Central Police Station, whereby we'll open these cases emanating from serious breaches observed during the recent Parliamentary Ad Hoc Committee proceedings. The first case, which is against Miss Mary de Haas, is because of the fact that she misrepresented her academic credentials before Parliament by claiming to possess an earned doctoral qualification, which she does not. Ms. de Haas has openly stated and admitted that her highest completed qualification is a master's degree and not that of a doctorate as referred to by many on other platforms. This deliberate misrepresentation was intended to bolster her authority during her presentation, which constitutes a violation of the Constitution, specifically Section 17(2)(e) of the Powers and Privileges and Immunity Act. The MK Party will request SAPS to register a criminal docket and secure all pertinent records, including transcripts, video footage, and academic documentation. The second one is a case against Mr. Paul O'Sullivan, whose WhatsApp message read into the parliamentary records contained explicit threats aimed at intimidating a witness, in this case, and specifically Mr. Cedric Ngabinde. And this was during a sitting, in this case, an official sitting of the ad hoc committee. Additionally, we will also bring in the fact that he submitted further intimidating correspondence, which was reportedly channeled through the evidence leader, Advocate Arendse, to MK Party members.